maths. Previous class we learned about how to construct the circle with the help of safety pin, pen and pencil. Okay. Today I am going to show you how to draw with the help of compass. How to construct the circle with the help of compass. Children, in the geometry box, which tool we use to construct for circle? This is used to construct the circle. This is called what? Compass. This is compass, children. So now I will show you how to construct the circle. First you have to mark point, children. Okay. You have to hold it here, the compass. This is the circle. So this is the center of the circle. This point we call this is center of the circle. Now if we draw line segment center to any edge of the circle, see here I draw line segment. This will write OA. OA. Here OA is called what, children? Radius. Okay. What we do, children? From center to edge of the circle. Now here one edge to another edge, I draw a line segment. See, this is called chord. CHORD, chord. Now, children, here I draw chord. Children, you can draw anywhere, here or anywhere you can draw, children. Now, next see, this also it is called chord. See, any line segment if you touch one edge to the another edge of the circle is called chord. Okay? But this chord is there. This chord is passing from the center of the circle. This chord, DE is a chord. This chord is passing from the center of the circle. So, any chord if you passing from the center of the circle is called diameter. Okay, children, roughly I will show you now again. This is the circle. You can draw this also radius, this also radius, this also radius. Now here this is the chord, this also chord, this also chord. Okay. Now this also chord, but this chord is passing from the center of the chord, that is called diameter. Diameter. See, this also diameter, because this is center of the, this chord is passing from the center of the circle. Like this, in one circle, how many radius we can draw, children? How many radius we can draw? Uncountable radius we can draw. Okay? Like this, how many diameter we can draw, children? Diameter means what? Diameter is the chord but that passing from the center of the circle. How many diameter you can draw in one circle? Many, children. That means uncountable. Okay? Like this chord also we can draw. This is chord. Many you can draw now. I hope you understood what is radius, what is chord, what is diameter. Radius is center of the circle to edge of the circle. It is called radius. Chord is one edge to the another edge of the circle. Circle is called chord. Suppose if we draw line segment, that chord is pass from the center of the circle is called diameter. Now here radius. The line segment from the center to the edge is called the radius. The line segment from the center to the edge is called the radius. See here children, the line segment from the center to the edge is called the radius. Next, diameter. The line segment across the circle and to the center is the called diameter. The line segment across the circle and to the center is the diameter. So the line segment across the circle to the center is called the diameter. Next, chord. Any line segment connecting 2 points on the circle is called the chord. Any line segment connecting this to these 2 points in the circle is called the chord. Okay? Now open your workbook, we will do workbook sums. Write date 12/1/2021. S2 using a compass. First question, draw 2 circles of different sizes with a common center O using a compass. Draw the radius for each circle and label it. Draw the diameter for each circle and label it. So children, first you have to mark point. From here you draw circle. This point, this is compass, coincide to where you mark the point children, and hold the compass here. Circle, and from same point you have to draw another circle. Take little more. Okay. Now for these 2 different circles you have to draw radius. For this is a small circle, this is the radius OA. This is a big circle, no? I am drawing radius for this circle. Radius OB. Now we have to draw diameter also. Diameter CD. For this circle, from this point to this point, E, F. See. I draw here 2 different sizes circles from same point children. Okay. Next, second bit. Draw the following in the given circle. Mark the following in the given circle. See here the given circle and the label center O. Chord AB, radius OX, diameter YZ. This second bit you do it as homework children. What is true about all the radii in a circle? What is true about all the radii in a circle? Single circle will call children radius. If many radii will draw the radius, no, that is called radii. Radius is singular, radii is plural. What is true, children? All the radii in a circle, what is true here? If we draw any radii in the circle, what it is there? It will be same length. Okay? Look here. Look, answer over here. Radii are same in length. Okay? I hope you understood. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class.